This is me searching for the ingredients as I am making Fanouropita today, a full blue moon edition. I will tell you a few things about this recipe as it has a long story or tradition, and you're gonna see me in the video gathering the ingredients. There is a statement of the ingredients and there is a list of the ingredients at the end of the video. So about this recipe slash ceremony slash spell, you will see that I have 12 ingredients in total, but the original recipe has 7 or 9. The history about it is that people are desiring to take it to the church, so the priests are gonna read it, are gonna bless it, and they're going to share with the rest of the people. And we're doing this in the memory of Saint Fanouropita. And while we're eating the pie, we are asking from God to bless and forgive his mother. This is how the ritual is going. So before you eat it, you say that. And you can also request from the saint to reveal something to you, to bring something to your awareness or to your life. It could be emotions, people, objects. Many times we say if you lose something, you can bake Fanouropita and ask from the saint to bring it back to you, to reveal to you where it is so you can access it. I'm doing this in order to find a lost box that I wanted to send to myself from the Netherlands to Greece, and it got lost. And while I was sharing this with my best friend, you can see him here in the video, he's helping me. He told me, why don't you bake a Fanouropita? And on that day, it was 26th of August, which was his celebration, 27th, on the day before we're preparing it, and the day after we're baking it. But I did it a full moon edition, and you will see the full moon edition here, as in front of you, you see the blue lotus tea, which is an ingredient that I added inspired, and you see here the blue color of the dough. This is the ceremony, and while I'm doing it, I'm also concentrating my energy into blessings, into be present, ask what I desire as if it's already here. Thank you for showing me how to make space, how to be present, how to bring back my belongings to myself, how beautiful it is to always have space for all of my parts to be aligned in this moment. So here you will see the ingredients. Thank you very much for watching. See you soon. Aho.